natin, start ang tournament, nakakakita pa sila. Okay? They can see. So I hope, matapos yung tournament, they can still see. So what I'm trying to say, obviously, you don't have to let them win as we want them to compete. As parents, we want them to compete. Win or lose, it doesn't matter as long as they compete. But, hinay-hinay lang sa smash sa mga bata. Okay? Sponsor for today, maraming salamat, James, for the medals, trophy, and I want to call on Asi, Adi. Yan. Pakapala naman natin si Asi at Adi. Unfortunately, guys, they have to go. So, tayo ko na si Adi. A round of applause for Asi and Adi. We want to award them as a rising star players. Give them a round of applause. Mama, dali. Dito kayo ba? Ace.
Sabi yung daddy, proud
Ano
dad.
Daddy? Halika.
Sabi yung daddy.
Sama Daddy. Mami, sama kayo dito, Mami.
Proud parents.
Point to mental,
Hoy!
Okay.
Kayo muna, Nico.
Mami.
One, two, three.
Here naman. 1, 2, smile. One more.
Where's Jacob? Jacob! Hi, Jacob! Palakpakan naman natin itong dalawang bata ito. Okay. We would like to award you the Rising Star for our first Genesis Cup. Congratulations, Jacob! Congratulations, Rafa! Thank you for joining! Thank you for joining! Oh, photo! Photo!